Hey guys, it's Miss Malukas with your morning announcements on this fantastic Friday. It's November the 20th, and today is an A day. I'm really, really proud of you. It's going to be a great day. Please get ready to join me for the Pledges of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing or silent and respectful for an additional moment of silence. Thanks, guys. I am so excited that I get to do the announcements today because that means I get to, for the second week in a row, announce our college acceptances of students who learned they got accepted to colleges this week for our class of 2021 Bulldogs. Man, I can't tell you how proud I am of you guys. I just feel really, really privileged to get to announce this. Here we go. Congratulations, Salma Rivas, for getting into St. Edward's University. Congratulations, Samantha Hernandez, UNT Dallas. Ashley Benitez, St. Edward's University. Leanne Franco, St. Edward's University. Elizabeth Guillen, Concordia University. Evelyn Hernandez, St. Edward's University. Desiree Mendoza, Austin College, St. Edward's University, and the University of Texas at San Antonio. Jasmine Mendoza, St. Edward's University, Texas A&M University at Corpus Christi. Litzy Vaca, Houston Tilliston University. Lorena Zarzosa, the University of Houston and Victoria, and the University of Texas at San Antonio. Heriberto Santos, Houston Tilliston University. Elizabeth Diaz, UT Austin. Juan Argote, UT Austin. Ana Chavez, UT Austin. Emily Tovar, Hardin-Simmons. Angel Rocha, Hardin-Simmons. And Emily Cuevas, Concordia University. Jesse Borja, Houston Tilliston. Man, when I got this list of names and acceptances to include in today's announcements, I had to stop what I was doing, and I actually teared up. And I don't do that a lot. This is great news. I'm so proud of you. I'm also so proud of the work that we do on this campus. I feel really privileged to work with Ms. Estrada, with Mr. Rodriguez, and with Ms. Hazendorf. I feel really, really lucky to work with all of your teachers and to work with you guys. We do what we do for a reason. This is a really awesome announcement to get to make. And I know this isn't the only one, right? This is gonna happen every week. How great is that? I look forward to hearing about more acceptances, and I look forward to congratulating each of you individually. And now I get to announce birthdays. What a great day to do the announcements. We have two birthdays happening today. We have Valentin Arella Nieto in 9th grade, and Ana Francisco Anacleto in 9th grade as well. Hey, I know there are a lot of birthdays that happen over the break, and I apologize for not including all of them. It doesn't mean I don't value your birthdays, doesn't mean they don't matter. I hope you have a phenomenal birthday. I apologize. There were just a lot of birthdays, and I wanted to keep the announcements, relatively reasonable. But I hope that everyone who has a birthday today, this weekend, next week, and next weekend has a phenomenal birthday. You deserve the best, all of the good things. Today, you guys share a birthday with rapper and musician Future, with former politician Robert F. Kennedy, and with President-elect Joe Biden. Lots of other people. Those three came up. Today in history, November 20th, 1969, the Alcatraz occupation. On November 20th, 1969, a dramatic and unprecedented event took place in California that focused attention on American Indian grievances as nothing else had. It burst through the invisibility of previous local indigenous protests and declared to the entire world that the Indians still lived and would fight for their rights. On that day, before dawn, 78 Indians landed on Alcatraz Island in San Francisco Bay and occupied the island. They called themselves Indians of all tribes and issued a proclamation: "We hold the rock." In the proclamation, they offered to buy Alcatraz in glass beads and red cloth. This was the price paid to Indians for Manhattan Island over 300 years earlier. The occupiers organized themselves immediately, electing a council and giving everyone a job. Everyone on the island voted on all major decisions. Within 3 weeks of the occupation, a school was set up. Older adults taught traditional native arts and crafts, such as bead and leather work, wood carving, costume decoration, sculpture, dance, and music. Although federal marshals eventually removed the protesters and their demands, including title to the island and the construction of a Native American university, were never granted, scholars view the 2-year protest as a springboard for modern-day Indian activism. Here's a reminder about our middle school only AR challenge. I'm excited to announce there's been some growth, there's been change. For our 7th graders, Mr. Freelo's homeroom is now in the lead. There's some competition there. Miss McGrew's homeroom in 6th grade is still leading with the most growth, and Miss Sathry's homeroom is leading for 8th grade. But what I want to say and shout out is, I want to shout out everyone. You guys are reading a ton. I'm seeing growth in every single homeroom, which is great. We have all week. We have all Thanksgiving break to read and to quiz. And remember, the homeroom with the most growth from when we started on November the 9th until November 30th, which is the Monday we come back from Thanksgiving break, will get Raising Cane's for lunch. There's still time. This is anyone's game, right? So make sure that while you guys are at home and enjoying your break, you're also reading and quizzing. Spirit Week has been so much fun. Big shout out to Miss Eads for setting this up for us. Miss Eads organized and created this event for us. We've enjoyed it all week. I really enjoyed our Austin, thankful for Austin Day, and today I look forward to seeing everyone's jerseys. Coincidentally, my Austin Day was my jersey. I want to show the same slide I showed yesterday because it was awesome. Really love seeing everyone's twin or triplet or quadruplets. Here are some pictures from today. I apologize for missing this one yesterday of Mr. Reck, Mr. Faulkner, and Miss Lance. They killed it with their triplet attire. Today is Friday, and I look forward to seeing everyone's jersey. Thankful for my hobbies. I hope you guys know how thankful I am for all of you. Here's a reminder, you can still buy IDEA shirts and sweatshirts. There's a tumbler there. I think if you go to this website, there's an option for a backpack and even more IDEA gear. I'm not going to talk about the schedule. IDEA is a great place to go to school. You just saw all those acceptances. If you come to school, if you do what we ask you to do, if you work with us, we will get you there. There is college. Attendance is a big part of that, though. I know you guys are listening to my voice. You're hearing me talk. You're showing up, but there are students who are not. Please, please, please message your friends over break. Check up on them. See how they're doing. Encourage them to come back. There's only 3 weeks between breaks. You guys come back. We got 3 weeks of classes. We got semester exams, and then you leave us again. It's really important that we show up and that we support each other. Masks are also very important. Please wear your mask, not just while you're at school, but also when you're out in the community. Oh my gosh, follow us on Facebook, please. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. You guys, if no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and we always will. I love you so much. I love breaks, right? Like I'm really looking forward to some time off, but I also worry. I hope that you know, and I hope that you know that many of your teachers, many of the members of the lead team, right? We care about you guys, not just as students, but as people. You're going to be gone for 9 whole days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you need anything, we are still here. We care about you. We love you. We want the best for you. Please reach out. You know how to get a hold of us. You know how to get a hold of me. Yeah, have a good break. If I don't see you, hopefully I do, but if I don't see you, have a phenomenal break, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday when we return. Can't forget about Move This World. Enjoy. Have a great day, guys.